Come on, come on.
I'm gonna puke. I'm gonna puke on the I want to puke on the search projector.
Come on, please. Come on, please.
Ryan.
You guys, I'm gonna puke. I'm gonna puke. Fuck me in the ass, okay?
She doesn't know how, Ryan.
We get fucked in the ass.
She
already?
can't do it.
Come on, get her dick out.
She can't do it,
Get her
Ryan.
dick out.
Okay, now you got the idea now, Rose. You got it.
Come on, where's your dick? I don't even care about this shit. Slap me on the ass. Fuck my ass. Come on, let's go. Fuck my ass. No, I don't even care about this shit. Hit me as hard as you want. Bleed me. Bleed me dry. But until you put your dick in my ass, Rose. God, that hurts.
Alright, okay, it's my turn.